कौन से रास्ते से गए थे अमेरिका?
गया था जंगल पनामा।
एजेंट ने मेरे को ये बोल के लेके गए थे कि आपको ब्राज़ील से यूएसए का वीज़ा लगवाएंगे।
पनामा वाला रूट कितना खतरनाक है?
बहुत खतरनाक।
हमें बताया कि हम आपको 15 से 20 दिन में अमेरिका जो है वो पहुंचा देंगे।
हमारे को जेल में से निकालने लगे ना, उसी टाइम हाथ गाड़ी लगा ली, पैरों में बेड़ियां डाल दी।
क्या रास्ते में ऐसा भी था कि वहाँ का जो माफिया होता था, सामान छीनना, चोरी करना?
मैं मोबाइल ले लिया था और पैसे थे।
कहना चाहेंगे जो यूथ लगातार जाता है बाहर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, उनको क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
मैं यही संदेश देना चाहता हूँ, जाना है तो अच्छे तरीके से 1 नंबर से जाओ।
In today's special segment, we are going to talk about something that has been affecting many people: illegal routes to America. Thousands of Indians dream of settling in the US, and to make that dream come true, some of them take extreme measures. Many go through a dangerous and illegal journey known as the donkey route, often borrowing large amounts of money or even selling their homes and farms. Recently, 104 Indians were deported back to India after being caught trying to enter America illegally. Some of these individuals used the donkey route to reach the US. The name donkey route comes from the Punjabi word donkey, which means jumping from one place to another. It's a tough, long journey that can take months. People often travel by boat, plane, walking, or even through forest, hoping from one country to the next. Agents charge people crores of rupees to help them along this dangerous route with only a visa for one country, and the rest of the journey is illegal. Let's take a look at the 3 main donkey routes people use to get to America. The Canada route. The first route is via Canada. People start their journey by reaching Canada, where agents help them get a fake university admission. With a fake visa, they then get a work permit but are dropped off near the America border, where they sneak into the US illegally. This route costs around 80 lakhs. The Turkey route. The second route starts in Turkey. Travelers stay there for about 90 days, then head to Mexico and finally walk into the US from there. This route can cost up to 80 to 90 lakhs. The Africa route. The third route takes place from India to Africa, then across Latin America and into Mexico. From Mexico, they make the dangerous trek through jungles to reach the US. This journey costs between 70 to 75 lakhs. While thousands of people use these routes hoping to reach their dream destination, many fall victim to fraud. It's important for young people to learn about the risk and avoid making the mistake of taking these dangerous illegal paths. So if you are considering making your way to America, remember there is no easy way. It's always better to follow the legal process and avoid putting yourself in danger. Stay safe and stay smart. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.